Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, mind, body, emotions expert. Today we're going to talk about getting rid of grief that you might be carrying around, as I did for about 3 years after my dad passed. It was the most heartbreaking experience of my life. And because I'm intuitive, I was able to see his spirit show up in all kinds of places for 8 months after he passed to the other side. And the one thing he kept repeating is, please, please let go of the grief. And I realized I had been carrying this grief around in order to keep his memory alive or show that I loved him, show myself that I loved him. And sometimes we hold on to grief almost as if to punish ourselves, like there must have been something we could have done to have helped our loved one so he or she wouldn't have had to make the transition to the other side. And all the intuitive readings I've done for people, thousands of them, for people all over the world, their loved ones do not want them to grieve anymore. They want them to just let it out. Let go of the grief, the sadness, the sorrow. Don't be a martyr. Don't be a victim to this emotion. Just let it go, because your loved ones, they're zooming all over the universe in spirit form. They're loving their lives. They can be anywhere in a thought. They're with you all the time, and they sense your love. And it's difficult for them to see you in so much emotional pain. So if you're not going to do this for yourself, do it for your loved ones, just so they can have a little more ease on the other side when they're watching over you with all that love in their heart. So what we're going to do is just do some clearing statements while we're clearing our governing vessel meridian. And that meridian is about the most powerful meridian that we have, running from the bottom of the torso all the way along the spine, and it ends up underneath your nose. There's several acupuncture points there, and you can just tap under your nose, or you can massage that area, especially if you're in public, or you can run your hand in an arc from in front of your mouth all the way over the top of your head, and then pull your hand away and then continue on, just like the diagrams are showing. So pick one person or a thing, whatever it is you've lost. Could be a job that you're feeling so much grief about and you just feel stuck, you want to get rid of it. Let's get some of that old stagnant energy out of your governing vessel meridian. So start clearing, and you can repeat after me, or you can make up your own clearing statements. I now choose to let go of my fear that these terrible times of grief and sadness and sorrow are never going to end. I let go of any resistance I have to clearing out all remaining grief that's in me out of loyalty to my loved one. I let go of my fear that it would be disloyal to stop grieving, to feel good and normal again, because people are supposed to suffer. They say you never get over the death of a family member. Well, why not? Your family members don't want you grieving for them for your whole life. They want you to be alive and enjoy life. So I choose to let go of all this grief, this sadness, this sorrow, and any reasons I have to hold on to it. I'm just letting those go as well. I know my loved ones want me to be happy. It hurts them on the other side to see me in such a terrible, terrible state. So I choose to let go of this grief, this bitterness, this rage, the shame, the humiliation, and all thoughts I could have done something to have saved them or made their transition easier. I choose to stop punishing myself, and I choose to love myself and love them, and I will always have their memories, but I'm not celebrating their memories with the sadness and the sorrow and the pain that I feel about losing them. And so it is. So just take a nice deep breath in and out, and you can put your hands down now and just see how you feel. If you need to do this exercise again, using your own phrases, or you can just watch the video again, please do. Please take good care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out my website, emorescue.com, for tons more free videos, audios, ebooks, and articles. Peace out.